Seismological observations show us that earthquakes are associated with significant changes in the elastic and transport properties of active fault zones, and in particularly they are associated with a drop in elastic wave velocities, which is generally then followed by a recovery phase which can have a different duration and last from months up to years. This recovery phase can be controlled by different mechanisms, and one of these, which could be of pivotal importance, is the cementation of fractures produced during the earthquake by mineral precipitation from hydrothermal fluids. So with this project REACT, we aim to enhance our knowledge about fracture sealing by mineral precipitation from hydrothermal fluid by using a combined and innovative approach, which consists, let's say, of 3 steps. Step 1, we are running a long-term fluid flow experiment with a newly installed percolation cell apparatus, where we try to reproduce in the lab long-term fracture sealing of a pre-fractured rock, and monitor during the long term the variation of elastic properties and permeability through time. Then we are doing instantaneous decompression experiment to study dynamic hydrofracturing of rocks and the possibility to have rapid processes of fracture sealing. At the end, we are studying the experimental products with novel microanalytical technique to understand which kind of processes we produce in the lab, and to compare these products with natural samples of cemented natural fault zone rocks and vein system from well-constrained tectonic settings. In particular, as a result of this project, we installed a new experimental device, which is an percolation cell apparatus, which allows us to do long-term fluid flow experiment and study the evolution of permeability and ultrasonic wave velocity in rocks, and so track their cementation rate and kinetics. This kind of studies has also not only application for the study of the seismic cycle, but also application to the study of the thermal fields or deposits from hydrothermal fluids, and for example also carbon sequestration.